In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the user in your Google Ads billing profile. Whether you're a business owner or a marketing manager, it's crucial to ensure that your billing information is always up to date. So let's dive in and explore this process step by step, ensuring you have everything covered. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads, or simply search for Google Ads on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to sign into your Google Ads account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Google Ads home, which serves as the central dashboard for all your advertising activities. Now that you're in your account, the next step is to locate the billing settings. To do this, find and click on the billing option on the navigation menu. It might be under a drop down labeled Tools and Settings, so keep an eye out for that drop down menu at the top of the page. Clicking on billing will direct you to the billing section where you can manage various aspects of your account's financial details. Once you are in the billing section, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can configure your billing preferences and other related settings. Here you'll want to click on Payments Contacts. This is an important step because it's where you can add or modify billing contacts associated with your account. With the Payments Contacts section open, you'll see existing contacts listed. If you need to add a new contact to manage billing for your account, look for the button that says Add a New Contact. Clicking on this will open up a form where you can fill in the details of the new user, such as their name, email address, and contact information. Make sure you enter the correct details and double check everything before proceeding. Once all the necessary information has been filled out, you can submit the form to finalize adding the new billing contact. After this step, the new user will have the access they need to manage billing inquiries for your Google Ads account. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on updating your Google Ads billing user. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure accuracy at each step. Always remember to keep your billing information current, as this helps maintain uninterrupted service and clear communication within your team. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to join us for more tutorials on optimizing your online advertising efforts.